Hey you, yeah you, are video projects still scary to bring into the classroom because of video editing? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 basic video editing skills that students should know to make it fun, easy, and efficient to bring into the classroom. Check it out. The first basic editing skill that you should know is how to split a clip. Some programs like Premiere Pro use the word cut, and this is to shorten a clip to take out unwanted footage and to make a cleaner edit. The second basic editing skill is how to adjust the audio, and this is to either raise or lower the volume of a specific clip or to add music to your video project. The third basic editing skill is how to adjust the speed, and you may or may not need to use this type of editing, but if you want to go for a specific effect, you can either speed up or slow down a clip. The fourth and final basic editing skill is actually not an editing skill, but rather exporting. And what exporting does is it finalizes your video project and creates a file on your computer. If you want to know more about how to use these 4 basic skills in different video editing programs, I dropped links down below in the description of specific video editing programs using these types of skills.